Can I get JSON to load into an OrderedDict? Okay, so I can use an OrderedDict in JSON.dump. That is, an OrderedDict can be used as an input to JSON. But can it be used as an output? If so, how? In my case, I'd like to load into an OrderedDict so I can keep the order of the keys in the file. If not, is there some kind of workaround?
Yes, you can. By specifying the object_pairs_hook argument to JSON decoder. In fact, this is the exact example given in the documentation. You can pass this parameter to JSON.loads, if you don't need a decoder instance for other purposes, like so. Using JSON.load is done in the same way.
Simple version for Python 2.7+. Or for Python 2.4 to 2.6.
Some great news. Since version 3.6, the Python implementation has preserved the insertion order of dictionaries, this URL. This means that the JSON library is now order preserving by default. Observe the difference in behavior between Python 3.5 and 3.6. The code. In Py 3.5, the resulting order is undefined. In the Python implementation of Python 3.6. The really great news is that this has become a language specification as of Python 3.7, as opposed to an implementation detail of Python 3.6+, this URL. So the answer to your question now becomes, upgrade to Python 3.6. Smile?
You could always write out the list of keys in addition to dumping the dict, and then reconstruct the OrderedDict by iterating through the list.
Ich will hier runter, Simon.